Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to give a big thank you to all the businesses that help us out so much. We couldn't do what we do in the school, teaching industrial tech, teaching welding, carpentry, construction, woodworking, robotics. We couldn't do that without all the area businesses helping us out in a big way. So today I'm up here in Wilton at the steel mill, Gradau Steel, and they are giving us steel to take back so our welding program can work on steel that we don't have to purchase. We get this donation from them. It's a fantastic opportunity for us. I have to come and get it, and so we use the school's truck. Winfield Builders Supply lets us use their trailer, so a huge thank you to them, because this is so helpful to us to not have to buy this amount of steel. We usually get about 2,000 pounds, so a literal ton of steel that we can cut up and that we can weld on. And later on this week, we're going to Carlay Nelson to do a construction competition. So they give us hoodies, they'll feed us lunch, and it's just a fantastic opportunity for students. And so I just wanted to give a big thank you to all the area businesses, no matter who you are or where you are. Thank you so much for helping out the area schools and for donating materials and your time. It is much appreciated, and we don't say it enough. So thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.